Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Django in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. So how to do that, just watch this video. And first of all you need to create a folder like the YouTube. Then open in terminal. Okay, nice. First of all we need latest version of Python. So my Python already installed like Python version like this. I have already installed Python latest version. Okay, so then I wanna open this folder with my windsurf code editor dot windsurf. Okay, open file folder and select desktop like this and select folder. Okay, now we need to open our terminal. Then just click here. Okay, first of all we need to create a virtual environment for install Django. So now is it's really easy. I-m venv, like this is your virtual environment folder name. So my case is env and just press enter. Okay, already created a virtual environment. Then okay, and now we need to active our virtual environment. So now just write env and press tab, then script tab, then a activate, and then press enter. Okay, our virtual environment is activated now. Then we need to install Django. You can use pip or another package manager, but I'm using a vanilla Python. Okay, -m pip install Django. So just press enter. Okay, now here to run. Okay, and then just copy and select and control and C, copy, and then mouse right button click and paste and press again enter. Okay, Django installed successful in my virtual environment. Okay, and then we need to create Django project. So how to do that? Just plan on Django admin start projects, like this is my application name, my app, and I wanna add in this directory. Okay, and like in this folder, and like just dot and press enter. Okay, already create project, like name is my app. And then we need to create Django app. Okay, so it's really easy. Py manage.py search app or t app, like my app name is base. Okay, and then press again enter. Okay, now created a Django app, and now open my folder and then click open setting file, setting.py, and now just add where is the install app? Like here, base. Okay. Okay. And now I can create a folder like template folder here, like this template. Base folder and then templates like home.html. Okay. home.html. Okay, this is my intelligence current active Python interpreter. Okay, no problem. Install this package. Okay, now is okay. Hello, this is our app. And now simply again we need to open our setting file and templates. Okay, base directory templates. Nice. And now here show me some error and how can I fix. And now here just I wanna some add description and keywords. So it's very easy. Add some description and keywords. And just automatically fix this error. Accept. And error has been gone. Okay. So really I love AI. And now again select the base folder and create a new file. urls dot py file, and we need to create a view like this. Okay, home.html here simply, and here this is our view and this is our URL. So from Django URL and import, and it's very simple. This is our home. This is our home page like this, and simply we need to add our main application URLs. Okay, so now here it's really simple. Include, okay, include, and like this again path here, include base.url, like base URL. What is base URL? This is our base URL. Okay, and our view, home, and URLs, base URLs. Okay, nice. Everything is okay. Okay, now just I wanna run my Django project. How to do that? How to run? Like py manage .py run server and press enter. And just click here and just click here. Okay, press Ctrl bar and click here. Boom. And this is our Django application. It's super easy. So I hope you understand, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Never miss another video. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and share. Have a nice day.